Hi, welcome back to the Maker's Cave. I'm Steve, and thanks for joining me as we continue to build the Eleanor Mustang from Eaglemoss. Got a little tongue-tied there. Today we're going to be doing stages, or kits rather, 15, 16, 17, and 18, which I think is going to be the right door, the right window frame, the right door panel, and the right trim. In case I look familiar with my clothing and my busted up hand, I have doubled up on the Eaglemoss deliveries for the Eleanor Mustang, so they're coming in pretty fast and furious, another car reference. So what I'm doing is I'm filming all these in one day at one shot, and then I'm going to divvy them up into the 4 kits that they send us, so there's not one horrendously long video. So what we'll do now is we will take these 4 kits, I'll separate the screws into our container, and as usual bring you guys forward and we'll start the assembly. Okay, we're going to get started with 15 here, kit 15, which is what you've seen me do in a previous video, which is the door. We're going to start off by taking the mirror assembly and putting in the mirror holder. And this just snaps right into place. Just like that. And then they want you to take the actual mirror, which is a little reflective decal here, and we just simply slide it onto that black piece we just put in there. And now we have one finished mirror. Alright, that was 15.3. Now we're moving on to 15.4. Put the mirror back in here so we don't lose it. Now we're going to put the mirror on the door. Hold it like this. And the mirror goes in right in here. And it gets held with a DS06 screw. Got our rapid tap to make it go in a little bit easier since we're going into metal. Now once this mirror is on here, you may have seen in my previous video, you got to be very careful. It sticks out here and the plastic that holds it is very small, fragile. It's, like I said, if you watched the video, you know how I snapped that off and I had to super glue it back into place. Okay, so that is all done. Now we get to put the door handle in. And you can only put this in one way because one of the posts that go in here is smaller than the other. Flip it around. So for 15.7 instruction, we use a PS04 screw. I promised myself I wouldn't say this ever again. The words crazy small. But that's what the door handle gets held in with, is one of these PS04 screws, which are very... I just dropped it right into the oil. Oh, that's without a doubt lubricated. Okay, so the door handle is in there. And that completes stage 15. Let's put this up here and we'll move on to 16. Alright, 16, we're going to bring the door back. Okay, step 16 is we've got the door and they want us to put in the window frame like we saw before. I always think there's two pieces of plastic here, and it's not. It's just sitting in here. Okay, so orient the door like this, and we put it in the window frame in here, and they get held in with 3 DS 06 screws. I'm hoping we get to some chassis stuff soon. So I want to see this model start to come together. And cue the fast forward. Okay, so the window frame is in. The mirror is still attached, so we're doing way better than we did in the last video. So now it is time. They want us on 16.3, they want us to put in the hinge. Hold the door like this. Put this in. That is the hinge assembly right there. And now we put in this plate right here. And this is what holds the hinge in place, as long as I put it on the right way. Just want to do a dry run with this. Yeah, works just fine. So this metal plate here, which holds the door hinge in, gets a DS02 screw. I'm lifting this up because I don't want to press down on it because of that mirror. Oh, that's the door hinge. That is done. And kit 16 is finished. Put the door up here. Oh, actually, I think I'm going to keep the door down here because I think we're going to continue on building this door, because now it has us wanting to do the door panel. And there's a little door handle here. That there. Okay, and this time I will not skip a step like I did last time. So we're going to take this door handle retainer And how do let me orient it like it is in the picture here. And put that there. This goes right in there. And then this gets a PS08 screw. Move this door up here. Going into plastic, so we do not need to wrap it, tap it. Okay, so that is done. Next part of 17 is we take the door panel, and we need to be really careful we don't bust off this door lock knob again. So we're going to turn it over like this, and it slides up and into here. I know what's coming next. Those silly screws. Okay, and this gets held in with those PS04 tiny screws. Holy mackerel, I got that on the first shot. I only hope the next one goes. So easy. And as you can see, it is not. Okay, I want to get some tweezers here. Maybe if I can place it in the hole, it'll... That seems to be the trick. Very paranoid over that locking knob after the way we broke it last time. And by we, I mean me. Okay, that piece is in there. There is the door handle. So, step 17 is completed. Now we're going to move on to 18. Which is just like the last video. It's going to be some trim pieces and the window crank handle. There's 2 window crank handles. I think they made a mistake and put 2 in here. So what we'll do is we're going to open this up. And we're going to put this in our little spare parts bin. Okay, and again, there is a registration notch on here. You can only go into this door panel one way. Which is like that. And that gets held in with a PS04 screw. Okay, so the window crank handle is in, and the door lock knob is still attached, so we're doing much better than the other day. Okay, so the next one is this bottom trim piece right here. That just falls into place right there. Flip it over because it gets held in with some PS05 screws. Again, I'm holding the door up because I think this is how I broke the knob last time. The door lock knob. Okay, that trim piece is on there. Next step is putting it on the door. Fits into place with these two little posts right here. And they get held in with some DSO2 screws. Okay, door panel's on. Door handle moves. And now we just have to put in this final trim piece right here. And the only tricky part about this is you have to slide it in under this door handle. Don't want to break the door handle. And it is just a press fit right into there. And it snaps right into place. So that is kit 18 complete. And that is it for these 4 kits, which were 15, 16, 17, and 18. So basically what we got done in this one is just one whole door. Whereas it took a couple episodes before to get a door done. We did it all in one shot, and I'm pretty impressed. Everything is still attached. Nothing had to be glued. Well, thanks for joining me along on this build of our Eleanor Mustang from Eaglemoss. If you have any comments or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when more come out. I'll have links below to everything that I did today, any tools or any mods I did, and I'll have a link to the Eaglemoss site. So if you want to start building this or some of their other kits, which I highly encourage, the link will be below for you to follow. Until next time, thanks for stopping by the Maker's Cave. I'm Steve. I'll see you at the next build.